Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes. Today it's actually Sunday, not the 24th, but July the 25th, 2021. And I've told you yesterday that I cannot continue with the additional with the puzzles because those puzzles are the same as Friday. Publisher has made a mistake and published the same puzzles. So what I will do is the puzzles that I have left on Thursday, I will solve them. The 1 star, the 2 stars, and a binary puzzle are left in the Thursday puzzle additional. So the first one, a 1 star puzzle, and this will be number 3148. 3148. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits, and for a 1 star Sudoku or puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright, let me scan the puzzle. So let's get started. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. Two of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 4. We have a 9 and a 4 in this second row, so no 9 and a 4 in those 3 boxes. The 9 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. Yeah. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 place for the 3 should be here, or there. We see there 3, we see here 3, no 3s in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see there 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. There 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so in that column, the last column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. Okay. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column, I cannot. Okay. I need to wait. 2 numbers left in this big square. Here we have 9 and a 4. The other pair should be the 7 and a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 and a 6. Yes, we have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. All right. What are these 3 missing numbers in this row? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 7, 8, and a 9. 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. And look, we have a 5 and a 6 in this column. So no 5 and a 6 in this box. The 5 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 9. So we have a 9 in one of those two boxes. In the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 9. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this column. So no 4 in these two boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4, therefore should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this column, so no 4 in these two boxes. The 4 goes in those two boxes in this big square. So we have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 1 should be there. What are those 3 missing numbers in this big square? 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing, 2, 6, and the 7 and the 8. 2, 6, and the 8. 2, 6, and the 8 are missing. That means in the last column, 2, 6, and the 8, 1 box left. In the last column, 2, 6, and the 8. This box should be reserved for the 5. Alright. 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. 2 is missing, 8 is missing, and the 6 is missing. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 6. Alright. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have an 8 in this row, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. Now we have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7. 2 and a 7. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 7, 7, 7, 7. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7. Wait, 2 missing numbers. Yes, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 9. We have a 7 and a 9 in this column. So no 7 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 7 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 6. 1 box left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. Yes, 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7. 2 and the 7 are missing. No, 1 and a 7. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. All right. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and the 4. 8 and the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8 and the 4. We have a 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 9. 2 numbers left in the first row. 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 9 are missing. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 6 goes there. 1 number left in this column. 1, 2, 3, the 4. No, 4, we have 5. The 6 is missing. Yes, 6 is missing. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 1. 1 in this row. 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be an 8. 2 boxes left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 are missing. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8, we have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finishing 12 minutes, faster than 50 minutes, correct. So I'm really well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will continue with the second Sudoku with 2 stars in a minute. So see you then. Bye-bye for now.